Okay, so we're going to move on to one of the problems from the antiderivatives multiple choice. This was one of the most missed questions. It was number 3. This one says the data for the acceleration a of t of a car from 0 to 6 seconds are given above. If the velocity at t equals 0, so I know v of 0 equals 11 feet per second. The approximate value of the velocity at t equals 6, computed using a left-hand Riemann sum with 3 subintervals of equal length is. Alright, so on this one, it asked me for the velocity at 6. I'm really looking for v of 6. Now, we know we can always do the structure. V of 6 equals v of 0 plus the accumulation of change from time 0 to 6. And we can find that accumulation of change by taking a look at the integral of the derivative, right, of v. And the reality is the integral of the derivative of v is just going to be acceleration. So this is really v of 0 plus the integral from 0 to 6 of a of t dt. All right, so we know that the v of 0 is 11 from the givens. Then it said use a left-hand sum. So we're doing rectangles, so I'm just going to get a template set up for 3 rectangles for that integral. All right, 0 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 6. So our widths on each of these is 2. All right, and then we need our height, and this was a left-hand Riemann sum, so I've taken the left-hand side of each interval. So we've got a 5 for the first one, we've got a 2 for the second one, and an 8 for the third. So that's going to be 11 plus 10 plus 4 plus 16. That's going to be a 41. All right, so all in, we're at 41, and the correct answer would be E, 41 feet per second. All right, I hope that helped. Thanks, bye.